To close an app on your Xumo Smart TV, the simplest method is to press the Home button on your remote to return to the home screen. This gracefully exits the current app. Alternatively, repeatedly press the Back button on your remote until you exit the app. Some apps may show an exit prompt where you can select Exit or Close. If an app becomes unresponsive, you'll need to force quit it. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select See All Apps. Select the problematic app, then choose Force Stop and Confirm. This terminates the app process entirely. On some TV models, you can also hold the back button for 3 to 5 seconds to force close the app. Remember that force quitting may result in data loss from the app. After closing or force quitting, relaunching an app is straightforward. Return to the home screen, find the app icon, and press OK to launch it. Some remotes have a Recent Apps button for quick access to recently used apps. If you're experiencing persistent issues with an app, try clearing its cache before relaunching by going to Settings, Apps, Storage, Clear Cache. Also, ensure your Xumo TV has the latest firmware updates by checking Settings, System Update to ensure app compatibility and stability. Keeping your system updated is crucial for optimal performance.